Hello everyone, welcome to Win Financial and Volatility Markets. Today I'm going to teach you people on how to make money trading crash and boom market. You make over $50 to $100 per day. All you need to do is to deposit $10 or at least $10, okay, in your trading account. If you don't have a trading account, make sure you look down the description of this video to click the link to join the broker for you to start. Never you join without a link, okay, because you might meet fake brokers. Okay, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you do that. I forgot to say in the beginning, because we upload quality videos, and each of these videos that are much more valuable than good. They're gonna change your life, okay, automatically. Right now we start by presenting the rules, what the instruction is, how to apply them. Okay, you need to click here, F, tap on the screen, click on F, go to main chat. If you are using laptop, comment in the comment section. I'm going to teach you, do a special video on how to use laptop, to do the same thing I'm teaching you on the mobile device. This is a mobile device, okay. Right now, the period should be 20, shift should be 0, methods should be simple. Apply to close, start should be 4 peso. You can choose any color you wish. Cool. Now get the trend of the market. That's the next step. Minimize the screen and get the trend. You see, this is crash market. The trend is up. Before I continue, we have two market, crash and boom. Crash is a buying market that is stopped, or that can lead to a loss when spike happen, or the spike is this red candlesticks, those long red candlesticks. It could be short, that was the spike, or the greenish one is the direction or the buy direction. The trend is up, we have to confirm that. Then once the trend is up, okay, before I continue, at times some people will ask, how do I know that this trend is up? Just look at it, look at the current position of the market. This is it, okay, and try to make a move to some past in the history. You will see that you have traced the locus, you have traced a straight line that is actually slopey, positive slope. A positive slope is uptrend. When we are in middle school, they teach us gradient slope as tangent of an angle to the horizontal. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to do this practical. Man, watch out. Now, actually, I pick up the trend line angle, and you need obvious point from the current situation. That is, you need the obvious point from the current market situation. So I need this. What have I gotten? I've gotten a trend line, because you don't need to go much past in the much back in the history. Please, 1 minute time frame. Make sure you set your time to 1 minute time frame. So I really need the current positions. Like the current price patterns, okay. I don't need to go to this side. Oh my god, let me show you what I mean. I don't need to consider these regions like from here or down to even though they form some elements of uptrend, you need to ignore them, because we are looking at the market. We are looking at the market based on what is happening currently, okay? Because it's 1 minute, we are studying the microeconomies. Oh my god, crazy. So you have to be very careful so that you follow the, okay? The trend is uptrend, okay? you don't need to draw this all the way, but with time you know when it is uptrend. You look at it, you see the slope. Like, see, I'm showing you what I mean by slope. If you look at this, if you look at this now, the angle to the horizontal, this angle, if you look at it, this angle is less than 90 degrees. It's an acute angle. Tangent of an acute angle is positive. It's a slope. That is how to get it, if it is uptrend, and this is very uptrend. So once you confirm a uptrend in a cash market, whether 500 or 1000, the next thing you need to look for entry. There are two places to enter. Once a spike happens, enter. 2 candlestick close, meaning let me show you what I mean. You guys to have patience here. Okay, I'm going to show you in a while. Yeah, so look at what I mean. We have confirmed that this market is moving in down uptrend. I'm sorry. So here, this is a spike. So 2 candles, you enter. You're like, once this spike happens, you enter and make money up to here. 2 candles. This is another spike. 2 candles, you close. That's 2 minutes. Another one, 2 candles, you close. My brother, you have made huge. You close. Let me tell you something. It's a story. If we are a group of 3 people and we say we're gonna lift this car, from gutter, the car fall inside the gutter, we're gonna lift it. We are 3, and among us, 1 person is saying no. Why 2 people have said yes? Who win the case? The 2 people. 2 is stronger than 1. So we have determined the trends, seeing that there is strong uptrend that is biased outweigh the sellers, that are more biased than the sellers. Boy, you don't need to miss the opportunity. There are more sellers than the buyers. Okay, there are more there are more buyers than the sellers. Okay, because of the uptrend. So even if a spike happens, I tell you the truth, as long as you enter the trend earlier, even if a spike happens, it will not touch you. Why? Even if you start seeing a kind of red in cent, let's say you are seeing some red, even if it is in dollars, maybe a couple of $4, minus $4, minus $3, I tell you, this is uptrend, and you entered at the early time, the market will crash up, like it will buy. For instance, assuming you enter, like you buy at this point, and this spike happen, now the price action will still reach here. You start making your profit back, or you close at 0 loss. Okay, that's good. So that is the entry rule. First entry rule. The second entry rule is you need to wait. You need to watch out whenever the moving up, the candlestick open is all above the moving average. Like here, you have to enter 2 candlestick, you close. Like here, you have to enter 2 candles, close. 2 candlestick, you close. Okay, cool. Right now, I've given you the entry rule. If you go back in history, if you go back in history, you will see, oh my God, this is crazy. A lot of opportunity, Imagine you are making $5 per deal just on one asset. You have multiple opportunity, like each one will give you 2 opportunity. That means the 4 asset, boom, 500 cash, 1000 cash, 500 cash, 100 will give you 8 positions, opportunities, if you're making $5 per each, maybe opening a couple of 3 trades or 4 trades, you're making $5, or maybe using a lot size of 1 or 0.5, you're making such money, $5 pay, like in each trade you enter. Then once you run the whole trading conditions, and get 8 trade in a round, that is, You're making a $40, then go to around by $80, you know, keep increasing. Deal, that's big deal. So it could turn $10 to $1,000, you know, it's possible, guy. I'm telling you the truth. But listen attentively to this video. I'm going to show you something. See deal, this is deal. Uptrend confirmed, so enter to candlestick stop, you know. You see what happened here? It's an uptrend, sure? Yeah, that is it's an uptrend. We have already confirmed it before we start. But a spike happened less, so I have to enter another spike. I was caught by this, don't panic. You were caught by this, don't panic. Okay, don't panic because of this. Once this happens, you will not meet it. Do you know why? Give 5 seconds. 5 seconds to 10 seconds, wait for 5 seconds to 10 seconds. When a spike happens, wait. If you didn't see any other spike, then enter for 2 candlesticks. Yeah, because this thing happened in a microsecond. Now I'm going to show you. You have to enter here and get 2 candlesticks. One thing I'm showing you that you will not lose here. Once the trend is strong, due to delay that you experience while placing trade, and you know you will not meet all this spike, then you will enter and you will be seeing profit. That is it. Cool. Just believe me, these things, if they happen 1%. That means you have 99% winning. That's why you are in win volatility market. So that's cool. So you see, it's real. Okay. See another some another thing that might fear you, which I tell you shouldn't fear. Oh, this is don't mind them. They are just faking it. Don't mind this, okay? That the faking, man. See, I've confirmed our turn to be. See this, it happened. Then after 2 candlesticks, another one happened. Don't mind. We will still get back our money here. All you need to do is to allow your trade to keep running. It's no longer 2 minutes now. Allow it until you get closer to $0 and you close, or a couple of small cents. You close all your deal. When your total profit is 0 or plus 0, you close deal. So let me go to the next. That is boom. Let's go to boom. Yeah, welcome once again, man. If you have not, it's real. So right now we're going to boom. Let's use boom 500 as typical example. Whatever we talk here will also work. Whatever we talk about boom, we work to boom. Whatever we talk about boom 500, we work to boom 1000. Okay, pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Let it load. Yeah. As usual, get the overall trend of this. How do you know? Some people have not even understand what I mean. What do you mean by trend? Now, the trend we'll be using is not what has happened in the past. Like, you shouldn't go in the past. This is a market that is highly volatile. Trend can change as quick as possible, and new trend will be forming, changing trend, you know, all of that, you know, trend change, and new one form, and many things happening, you know. That's why you should obey my rule. Like, how do you get trend? You start from the current position of the action of the price actions, you know, and then look back. See the point you need. You need obvious point, and they are called swing point. Obvious swing point. That is the highest highs or the lowest lows. This is it, and this is it. You can use this one and track our trend. You can use this one and this one and track our trend. If we do that, most of the time you just join the 2 points, join up, join down, then calculate your slope. You see what I mean? Like, let's do that immediately. No time. Okay, that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, let me use this. You see, I have joined the 2 line. The slope is up. Like, let me show you. Most of you have not understood. if you draw a horizontal line today, this line is not making some angle that is less than 90. If this thing have told you upward, forget the other one, it will still tell you the same thing. If you draw it, let's show you that now. Put it here, this point, these 2 points, okay? Put it here. I'm going to show you, okay? And then move this horizontal to it. What I'm saying, that is angle, that is uptrend. The angle is positive because an accurate angle you measure in anti-clockwise direction. Actually, you measure angles in anti-clockwise direction when you are dealing with tangent, when you are dealing with gradient or slope calculation. When you are trying to get slope, you move like that. You understand? Like when you look at here, we say that this is downtrend. Why? Because the slope is negative. How? See why? Draw this now. Then get another deal. Get another this. Draw this now. Okay, how do we measure the angle now? How do we measure? We say the angle, slope angle is measured from the horizontal. I want you people to be mathematical, man. It's measured from the horizontal to the slope line or the trend line in anti-clockwise sense. So we are going to go like this. You see, this angle is greater than 180. Tangent of angle greater than 180 is negative. A negative slope is downtrend. Mathematical. Everything that happens in this world is mathematical, man. Bro, obey this. Don't say Film Financial is not saying something that is, is being mathematical. That's how it should be, man. This is the trading platform is based on mathematics, man. I tell you the truth. Oh, okay. Now see the entry. Since we are like here, we have confirmed that this is uptrend, so we have to stay away from this deal. You'll be tempted. You are seeing opportunity, okay? But everything has rule. Obey the rule, and it will help you to escape some losses. Okay? So, but we want to mind the authenticity of my rule, the authenticity of what I'm teaching you. You see, for this side that the market is downtrend, like here, I'm here downtrend. You see, our operating condition. I will explain the operating condition. Yeah, understand what I mean? I will explain the operating condition. Okay, the operating condition is that whenever a spike happens, sell 2 candlestick like here. You see here, a spike happen, you sell 2 candlestick, you close. Here, a spike happen, 2 candlestick, clip is 2 candlestick, you close. Same thing. The another entry condition, as we talked before, is the moving average for this region. Like is the moving average. Once the candlestick is below the moving average, okay, I'm going to show you. Once the candlestick is below the moving average, let's go to 1 minute time frame back. Yeah, once the candlestick is below the moving average, let me show you. Let's get back to where it is trending down. Okay, this here is here. Once again, at times using laptop will help you. Laptop will show you a larger view. You can zoom in and zoom out and see the actual thing happening in the price action. So like what I'm saying is, here is below the moving average. So like you buy 2 candlestick once a candle is opening below the moving average. Oh, thank you for staying here. But before I finish, before I end this video, I'm going to open one trade. I will see the money we're going to make. Okay, let me look for entry position. We have missed here, although I have told you have to stay away from this boom because it is an uptrend. We have proved it. Okay, let's look for boom 1000 and see what get entry position. Do a success and successful. You should know things to avoid, the do's and the don'ts. Okay, that's cool. Or go to chat now. let it open. There is no time. We are going to hit money, right? Oh my god, this is crazy. We are going to hit money, guys. See, this is get the overall trend. Stay away from this market. Even though you will see opportunities, stay away. I tell you, you should stay away. It's better you make a couple of dollars consistently on daily basis and grow your accounts. Though, most of you will ask me, but why am I not talking about trading the spike? See, no, this video is for something that is different, especially for a particular purpose which is consistent in profit. Trading spike is for people that have large accounts, huge money, so that no matter how the market move in the direction, it will totally spike over and over again, and you make huge profit. Okay, so I'm not teaching that will be another course, but if you really want to make consistent money, follow this rule I'm giving you here. Forget the spike happening. You'll be asking, why not trade, why not buy? No, it's not easy as you think. Okay, you can buy, the market will sell for days, for months. You never see that it will surprise you. That's why we are devising rules. In financial and volatility market is working hard to make sure you get some money in this company. So right now we are going to stay away. This is uptrend. Spikes are happening anyhow, so those spikes might happen when we are looking just for 2 minutes to escape the deal. They stay cautious and you won't be happy for that. So let's check cash 500 and see what's gonna happen here, man. You see, this crash is not keep going up and up, but missed opportunity is uptrend, but we are missed opportunity. So let's check another one. We need another one. We'll do a special video. You can like we are going to that down when the spike will be happening over and over. It will not reach you. You will end in big profit, but that will be a video for those that really are expert and they have huge accounts. Okay, but for now this video is for those that have small account and they want to grow it small. Okay, so I can't trade. There's no entry position here, so I've missed it. Let's check cash 1000. Cash 1000. I must get opportunity to show you. Okay, yeah. Let's check the overall trend of this market. Okay, let's check the overall trend. I'm coming, right? We are going to check the overall trend. Okay, let's check the overall. Okay, but you have to stay away from this market. This market is in downtrend. Do you want me to prove it? You look for obvious points. You do this when you are doing all this. You look for what you look for is you look for the current situation of the deal, the current behavior of the price. You don't look for trend going back in 1 minute time frame. No, because things are happening in short while. Understand? So you need to understand this now. So the obvious point, we can use this point. Use the just wait. I'm going to get you along. I want you to be really connected. Okay, what I'm saying here is this is obvious point because is highest high. I mean, from within this nearer to the future. This is the future. Yeah. Another obvious point is nearer to the future. You have to reason. You have to use your eye. You have to see how even the moving average will tell you you see this moving average is pointing down. It will also help you to understand, like you can use this as a next point. So we are going to draw the slope, using those points. At times, make sure you also be watching your moving average also. So you see, this is downtrend, so stay away from this market. If the operating condition does not exist, so stay away. But I will still prove to you that what I'm teaching you is real. Go back in history. In the uptrend, let me amplify. In the uptrend, we are making deal, but we missed the opportunity, but we made profit. If we had done so, spike, 2 candlestick, come out, 2 candlestick. Close deals. Oh my God! Imagine you make $5, $15. But use your point, man. You are going to hit deal. Okay. Thank you for being with me in financial and volatility markets. If you really want to make money, make sure you stay to my channel. And if you really want to start investing with us, we have a platform you can invest with us. Join our Telegram channel. It's actually in the description of this video. Join the Telegram channel and you can have access to such thing. Like you have your money managed, like grow your money, make your profit, collect, withdraw, and time. We do. If you need VIPs, provide. All these things do it based on high-tech idea in financial market. The authors of Win Financial are experts in the financial market. Start changing your life. Remain focused.